Grade 10, Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Example problem, find the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method, hence find their LCM. So here what we need to do is, first let us find the HCF of 96 and 404 by factorizing 96 and 404. And then using this result, let us try to find the LCM of 96 and 404. Is this clear, students? Okay, now first let us find the HCF of 96 and 404. So first let us factorize 96. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So let us write the prime products of 96 here. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 1. Okay, now next let us factorize 404. So here we'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and then you have 2 1s are, and then you have 101s are, 1 is equal to 101. So now here let us write the prime products of 404. So it will be 2 into 2 into 101, which is equal to 2 square into 101 to the power 1. Now here we know what is HCF, isn't it, students? So what is HCF? HCF is the product of the smallest power of common prime factor. So here first let us see which is the common prime factor. Which is the common prime factor in both, students? It is 2, isn't it? It is 2. Smallest power. Which is the smallest power? Is it 2 to the power 5 or 2 to the power 2? It is 2 to the power 2, isn't it? Which will be equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the HCF of 96 and 404. Is this clear, students? Okay, now we know that the HCF of 96 and 404 is 4, isn't it? Okay, remember this. So we got by prime factorization method, the HCF of 96, 404 is equal to 4. Now using this result, let us try to find the LCM of 96, 404. So we need to find the LCM of 96, 404. Okay, so let us write this HCF of 96, 404 into LCM of 96, 404 is equal to 96 into 404. So now HCF of 96 and 404, we got it 4, isn't it, into LCM of 96 and 404, we need to find it out. So let us write as it is, and then we need to multiply 96 into 404. So what is 96 into 404, students? It is 38784. Okay, so this is the product of 96 into 404. And then what we need to do next, let us write LCM of 96 and 404, which is equal to 38784 divided by 4. So we get LCM of 96 and 404 will be equal to 96, 96, that is 9696. So this is the LCM of 96 and 404. Is this clear, students? How to find the LCM of two positive integers using this result? Okay, next students, this is the next example problem. Find the HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 using the prime factorization method. So here there are three numbers, isn't it? So we have worked only with two numbers earlier. So now here we need to find the HCF and LCM of three numbers. Okay. So first let us find the HCF of 6, 72 and 120. First let us factorize 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So let us write the prime products 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 1. Next let us factorize 72. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the prime products are 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. So next let us factorize 120. So 2 6 are 12. Here we get 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. And so here the prime products are 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, now let us look at these prime products of 672 and 120. Now let us find the HCF. So what is HCF? Product of smallest power of common prime factor. So which is the common prime factor in all these three prime products, that is of 672 and 120? It is one common prime factor is 2, isn't it? And then next we have 3. Okay, product of the smallest, so it is the product. Now we have two common prime factors here, so 2 and 3. So we have to multiply. And the product of the smallest power. So which is the smallest power of 2, whether it is 2 to the power 1 or 2 to the power 3? Just 2 to the power 1, isn't it? So what is the smallest power of 3? Is it 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2? And here it is 3 to the power 1. So it is 3 to the power 1, isn't it? Yes. So this will be equal to 2 3s are 6. And this is the HCF of 672 and 120. Okay, so HCF of 672 and 120 is 6. Next, let us find the LCM. So, look at this prime products once again. So, what is LCM, students? It is the product of the highest power of each prime factor. So, let us take down each prime factor. That is 2 into 3 into 5. Each prime factor, not the common one, each prime factor. And we have to take the highest power. Okay, so what is the highest power of 2 here? It is 2 to the power 3. And which is the highest power of 3 here? It is 3 to the power 2. And the highest power of 5 is 1, isn't it? So we get here 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 to the power 2 is 9 and 5 to the power 1 is 5. So here we get the result. How much is it? 360. Okay. So LCM of 672 and 120 is 360. Okay, so we found both HCF and LCM of three numbers using the prime factorization method and not using this result. Is this clear, students? Okay. Now, you need to note down one important thing, students. We learned earlier that HCF of A comma B, that is two numbers, okay, into LCM of two positive numbers is equal to A into B. Now here we found the HCF and LCM of three numbers. Let us now check whether this result is true for three positive integers. Okay, so that will be HCF of A comma B comma C into LCM of A comma B comma C, and whether it is equal to or not equal to A into B. Okay, so just let us verify this. Now we know that HCF of two positive integers into LCM of two positive integers will be equal to the product of those two integers. Now let us verify this one. Now let us take the three integers, that is the 672 and 120. Okay, the problem which we solved just now, that is 6,72, 120 into LCM of 6,72, 120. Okay, let us check whether this is equal to the product 6 into 72 into 120. Here we got HCF of 672 and 120 as 6, isn't it? Into what was the LCM of 672 and 120? It was 360. Now let us multiply this one. Sorry, this is into C. So let us multiply this one. 6 into 72 into 120. How much do we get? Is 51840. So here 6 into 360 will be 2160. So 2160 is not equal to 51840, isn't it? So the product of the HCF and the LCM is not equal to the product of the three numbers, isn't it? So here HCF of two integers into LCM of two positive integers will be equal to the product of the two positive integers. But here the product of three numbers, that is 6 into 72 into 120, is not equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, remember the student. So HCF of A comma B comma C into LCM of A comma B comma C will not be equal to A into B into C. But this result is true for two positive integers, but it is not true for three positive integers. Is this clear, students? Thank you, students.